tell you what we're gonna do. Do a drum roll. We're making beef barbacoa. It's amazing, and we're gonna use it to make some tacos. Really good. Man.
Yep.
And we're using it with our Instapot. Yes, our amazing Instapot. If you don't have it out right now, you can grab it now. And yeah.
And if you have it in the box, open it up and use it. It will save your life.
Yep. So now the kitchen rules. The kitchen rules are: make sure you wash your hands, you work your ears clean, you have adult supervision. Never turn on a stove without adult supervision because you burn yourself. That's bad. But the most important rule of the kitchen is Mario Day. Mario.
Yes, I will be substituting for Ian. I see that you saw him, but he's not going to be here anymore. He has a preview with the Easter Bunny.
Oh, what happened to your eyebrow?
It's glitching.
He's like, so that's not correct. So let's try it again. The most important rule of the kitchen is sift it first. Bam! So now let's get cooking. So here are the ingredients. We're gonna need, of course, we're gonna need our meat, amazing meat, our onion sliced, pepper and salt, and we're using pink salt. Just remember that. We have chiles.
Pasilla, only one.
Yeah, one. And a cinnamon.
Well, our cinnamon stick is kind of like
Big.
oversized. So if you
So-
have a regular size, use two.
And then we have our cloves, cumin, chicken bouillon, and
Oregano.
Yeah.
We have our apple cider vinegar, our bay leaves, our water, our garlic, our
chiles árboles.
and our chiles.
Huajillo.
And as you can
We
see,
already removed the seeds from the chiles and we have some water. Our garlic, some are frozen and some are like regular ones.
and then we have
So
our
they look like
onions,
different colors.
and we have our onions sliced and diced.
So we already have our Instapot ready, and we've already put 1/4 cup of oil in it, and turn it on. We're gonna put it on saute. Wait, on normal? Okay, normal, yeah. And it's gonna turn off within the 30 minutes. You're gonna have to turn it back on.
It only lasts 30 minutes. So every 30 minutes is gonna turn off and then you turn it back on. So what are we gonna do with our meat?
We're gonna put our meat in our bowl so we can season it. Big chunks of meat. And Ian has the salt and the pepper. We're just gonna like coat
So
it in.
mix the salt and the pepper. So when you pour it into the meat, it's already mixed. And you need to completely cover the meat with the seasoning.
There's little
Who's
flakes
gonna
of the
take-
pepper on it.
Not outside of the bowl, Ian.
Who's gonna
Inside
take
where the
over?
meat.
Who's gonna take over?
Okay, so just pour the salt and the pepper into the meat. Sprinkle it with your hand. Okay, now Eileen, you mix. Oh, she still had some more. Hold the big.
Pink bowl. My favorite color pink.
Just don't get me mixed.
Wait, how am I gonna mix you?
Like this act.
You won't fit in the bowl.
He might. Ooh. Hey, he fits in the washer and the dryer.
That's true. Hide and seek. Always the washer and the dryer.
So I'm gonna pour my meat
Don't drop it.
Slowly.
I want that little small bit.
Be careful with the face. We don't put our face in there. Don't do that.
Go over the thing. Oh. It's as big as me.
So we're gonna flip our meat. Oh, it looks good.
It smells amazing.
Catch up this big piece. So now we're gonna get out our meat, and we're just gonna do the same process until we're done with all of our meat. It smells so good, right, Ian?
Yep. Yummy, yummy in my tummy. Yummy, yummy in my tummy. So we just wait for our meat to kind of like change colors.
Yeah.
Okay. And we do the same with all of our meat.
What is him? He wants to
He's
get-
playing peekaboo. He's hiding from me. Ya te miré, ya.
Wait, he's hiding from me or from you?
From, no sé. Bueno, so we do the same with every single piece.
Okay, pingüinos, let's put our meat in our bowl.
Ooh, so juicy. Mmm, it's so yummy. Just yummy.
So now, in the same oil, we're gonna put our chiles. That's easier.
Be careful, don't splash it in your beautiful face.
Yes. And yes, remember, we already took out the seeds.
And we're gonna pour our onions as well.
And mix.
And we're gonna do this until our onion is translucent.
So our onions are ready, and now we're gonna put all our seasonings and our garlic.
And you keep mixing, Eileen.
And the cinnamon. Our garlic. And the bay leaves, right?
Yes, we pour all of those and we're gonna cook them for a little.
So this is ready. It smells so good.
So as soon as you smell your seasoning, you're gonna pour
Apple cider.
your apple cider slowly
Vinegar. Apple cider vinegar.
and our water,
Carefully.
el agua. Ay! Slowly. And we're just gonna let them cook for 2 minutes.
And we're gonna blend it.
then we're gonna blend it.
So it's ready. Now we're gonna turn it off.
And blend everything for our sauce. Salsa. Salsita.
Yes.
Salsita.
Wow, smells amazing.
Yes.
So my mom helped me pour all the liquid in because I couldn't do
Yes,
it.
help your kids because that's boiling hot.
And now we're just gonna blend it, make our salsa, and finish our barbacoa.
You good job, Ian.
Ninja. We're blending our ninja sauce in our ninja. Magic. Okay, let's get it off. Wait.
Oh,
Turn it off.
No,
Off.
already opened it.
I need to get the blade out and we need to pour the meat back into the Instapot. So,
One more step.
see you in a minute.
Hi, Mommy. Okay, so we have our salsa here. And make sure you don't stain your clothes because...
It was stained.
Yeah.
So first we add our meat into the Instapot.
Scooch that away for now because...
Yeah. Safety first. So our meat is already in the Instapot. Now we're gonna pour our sauce.
Careful. Caution. Caution.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh.
And once we pour it, we're just gonna move our meat around and make sure every single piece of the meat is, you know, covered. Let me help you, Eileen.
So it's completely covered like this, and it looks amazing. So we're gonna cover it. Where's the lid? Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome.
And make sure it's sealed. Right?
So we're gonna cook it for
Manual.
60 minutes, so manual 50.
It'll take a while.
Just wrap it.
50 minutes.
And once it's done, we're gonna let it sit for 25 minutes before we open our
So it can
Instapot.
be the whole hour. And we get to play. And we can
It's like 1 hour and 15
wait,
minutes.
we're gonna do our green salsa too.
Yes, so while that's cooking, we're gonna do our salsa, chop all of our onions, cilantro, radishes,
And our
and jam jam.
Oh! Wait, did we taste for the salt?
Yes, we
Oh, yeah,
did.
we did.
So if you
Sorry,
want to add
guys.
more salt, yeah. So we see you in 1 hour.
Yeah. So here are the ingredients for our green salsa. We're gonna need onion.
We're gonna need 4 Hernanda peppers,
And none.
Serrano.
serrano peppers, 3 garlic,
I don't know if you want to cook Fernanda, but maybe she's not gonna let you cook her.
7 green tomatoes.
And 1 red tomato.
Yes.
And what we're gonna do, we're gonna boil them, and once everything is cooked, we're gonna make our
Blend it.
salsa. So we're gonna show you when they're ready.
So now we have all of our tomates and chiles.
And
Everything,
garlic, onion.
we didn't pour any water into our blender, so now we're gonna blend it. We're
Wait,
gonna
we
pour
add
our
salt.
salt. Okay, so now let's blend it.
With the lid. I don't want to explode.
Make sure it's closed though. Okay. And start.
Our salsa is ready. So now we're gonna pour it in our container.
Slowly kill.
Smells amazing.
Oh.
Oh, I think we need a bigger container.
Oh.
Okay, so we need another container.
Yes. And then we can taste it. So now we're gonna taste.
And we didn't need it anything bigger. That was perfect. You're supposed to taste it, not drink the whole. It's a little bit spicy, huh? If you like things spicy, more spicy at home, just add more chiles to it.
Good but spicy.
More peppers.
Really good.
Alrighty.
So we're back, and look how amazing it looks. I just can't wait to eat it. We have our
Those taquitos look amazing.
Yes, and we made some radishes look like flowers.
The flour,
Ooh.
the grass,
The
and-
grass.
and the meat for the soil.
Does work. So now I'm gonna eat it. The plate.
And what we did, we grabbed some of the oil from the meat and we sprinkled some to the tortillas so they can get like a little bit of like a reddish color. Delicioso.
The meat is so tender and juicy. Yes.
And you can also pour some of the juice into your meat
Yeah,
when
and
you
it comes
shred
out
it
moist.
so it can stay more moist. So enjoy, guys.
Enjoy. Oh, it's so good. So I hope you guys love this amazing
Barbacoa.
recipe. It's so good. I am pretty sure for a party, amazing. Just like
And all of the flavors combined, it just tastes so good. Like the salsa, the onion, and the
Cilantro.
And then the
the
meat.
lemon, the
And
meat.
if you want to add more salt than the one we added, you guys are more than welcome. We usually use the same amount of salt and chicken.
Yeah, we're all just going to
So, you know, this is like our perfect. Hey, those are mine.
This one's mine.
Okay, let's hurry up so I can finish eating.
Yeah.
So thank you guys for all your comments, for all your support.
Yes. And